Did you know there are fungi capable of eliminating insects without needing to be ingested? These are contact entomopathogenic fungi, invisible allies that fight pests directly from the outside of the insect. Today, we'll explain how they work, what conditions they need, and which ones are most important in agriculture. My name is Esther from Microbiolab Laboratory in Ecuador, and let me tell you a bit more. It all starts with a conidium, a tiny fungal spore that floats in the environment or is applied to crops. When this conidium comes into contact with the body of a susceptible insect, and there is enough humidity, it germinates and begins its attack. The fungus produces enzymes such as chitinases, lipases, and proteases, which break down the insect's cuticle, a protective barrier made up of chitin, lipids, and proteins. Once weakened, the fungus penetrates into the body. Inside us, the fungus multiplies rapidly, invades the tissues, and releases toxins that disrupt the insect's nervous system and vital organs. This process ends with the death of the host, usually within 3 to 7 days, depending on environmental conditions and the insect's susceptibility. But the story doesn't end there. From the dead insect's body, the fungus emerges, colonizes the exterior, and produces new conidia, ready to infect more individuals. Thus, the cycle of infection and natural biological control continues. For this process to be effective, certain environmental conditions must be met. Contact entomopathogenic fungi require high relative humidity, preferably above 70%, since without water the germination of conidia stops. Mild temperatures, between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius, which favor their growth. Application should be made during the cooler hours of the day, such as at dusk or at night, to avoid direct sunlight that can inactivate the spores. Direct contact with the target insects is necessary, so the application coverage must be uniform. Repeat applications in case of heavy rain or under adverse conditions. Among the best known and most widely used entomopathogenic fungi are Beauveria bassiana, effective against beetles, whiteflies, aphids, and more. Metarhizium Orchid anisoplii, powerful against thrips, termites, soil larvae, and bugs. Lecanicilium, Lecani, excellent for aphids, scale insects, and whiteflies. Isaria fumosoracea, used against mites, thrips, and other greenhouse pests. These fungi not only selectively eliminate pest insects, they are also safe for the environment, do not affect pollinators, and leave no toxic residues. They are a fundamental tool in integrated pest management programs and organic agriculture. The next time you think about pest control, remember, the power of contact may lie in the hands of these silent microorganisms working to protect your crops.